right, Mike Wazowski's in the Wazowski. Do we have any Mike Wazowski fans out here? Scream and make some noise! Hey, Needleman, did you hear that okay back there? Yeah, I just did the, mic check.
Rex and Mama aren't Buzz. Shadow's back there.
Hiding from us.
Who's gonna win?
Since we get to put our points together.
Oh, okay. I got Galactic Hero last time. All right, so the ride stopped. And Rex is still shooting, getting points. Dada and I stopped so that we can be more fair.
I'm not failed.
All right, well, I didn't get a Galactic Hero this time, but I got 933,900. Rex, you got 64,200.
So we won.
What'd you get?
461.
461? Yeah, we won. No, he got 461. You got 64. But good job, everybody.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to
Would you rather have this drink instead?
Red Line. Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. I find two of my favorite spots.
There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away. Phew, boy, hottest 4th of July we've had in years. We've come a long way though since the turn of the century over 20 some odd years ago. You know that pilot fella, Charles Lindbergh? He's about to fly a single wing airplane all the way across the Atlantic. He's never gonna make it. And sports stadiums are springing up all over. And boy, nobody hits that old horse hide like that new fella Babe Ruth. Jazz music is the cat's meow. And there's been ads in the paper for months for a movie starring Al Jolson. And he's going to talk and sing. Oh, boy, I've got to see that.
So we came to eat at Cosmic Race, but Sunny's missing. All right, guys, we're on Dumbo now. Dada and Rex are in front of me. And then I think I have Rex convinced that he wants to try the Barnstormer after this. He has not ridden that since he was little, so we'll see how it goes. I think he'll like it.
To make Dumbo fly higher,
Bye, guys!
in the up position.
Are they catching up? Oh, here they come. They got a slow start. What took you so long? Oh, sorry, bud. Nope. Yeah, yeah.
Perfect. On the phone too.
All right. Bye, Goofy.
Thank you, my friend. Have a great day.
You see a hand there? What? Everybody, a little bit of, let's give them a little bit of round of applause there. Yay! And Donald! Come on down hand him that autograph book if you would.
Yeah.
Yeah, look up here. Good job, well done.
Awesome. Say thanks, Donald. Hey, Donald's number one. Donald's number one. What is that?
It's from Star Wars. It's a stone trooper.
Oh, she's got a lightsaber.
Got battery.
Get your lightsaber, Rex. Oh no! You win!
You can see winning in his future.
Oh, good. Say thank you, Daisy. Bye.
Welcome, friends. Come on with the Minnie. You come here the right side, please. Hey, look my camera, my friend here. And now look at mommy here. Oh, it's full, eh? You need a new one.
No, yeah, awful.
He's got a few. We just found one to bring with this trip.
Last page.
There's one more spot somewhere in there.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe you did the last page of the whole book.
Yeah.
You wanna give me a photo with Minnie? Look my camera here, my friend. And now look at mommy there and say, Minnie.
Love
Wanna
it.
get in?
They would love to. They would love to.
Backpack, please. Remove all backpack.
So Rex is a little nervous, but we're gonna ride and it's gonna be fun, right, buddy? Nice and safe.
Hold me.
Here we go.
I'm scared.
Be brave. It'll be fun. I got you, baby.
Scream with me, Rex. Glass.
It's over. That's it. What'd you think?
Keep me out.
You didn't like
I
it?
want out.
You didn't like it?
It was kind of good and kind of scary.
Okay.
Mainly freaky.
Mainly scary? Okay. Mwah. Thank you for being brave and
It's
riding.
starting
Can I have a
again.
kiss? Thank you for being brave and riding with me.
where he shivers from the cold.
And you're going to shiver, shiver, shiver. You are so cold. You have no home or cold. Your whole entire life you went from the air.
Now!
Surprise! Oh my, isn't this a wonderful surprise?
Ferocious beast man had ever seen. Jump out and roar! His suits of armor screeched at the top of their lungs.
Please let
So the beast refused. So Belle agreed to take her father's place. And as time went on, Belle realized that the beast was not mean or cruel, but in his heart was sweet and kind. And Belle and the beast began their best of friends. And that is the story of how Beauty met Magnifique, thank you all so much. And to show our appreciation, I do something to mark the occasion.
Well, we brought your favorite bookmarks to share with all of our new friends. Absolutely, that's a wonderful idea. That way we can use this to remember our time spent together this evening in the park. And I can hardly wait to tell Beast all about you. You like breakfast, you say and of course we can't forget this. Bravo, monsieur. Right over here, friends.
Well, we have the princess of
Oh no, he's a ghost!
those parties every now and then.
I've never seen. Jump out and roar! Such another screech that they got of their own. Well, pleaded with the beast to let Maurice go.
Please let him go.
But the beast refused, so Belle agreed to take her father's spirit. And as time went on, Belle realized that the beast was not mean. His heart was sweet and kind. And Belle and the beast became the very best of friends. And that is the story of how the beauty met the beast. And to show our appreciation, a little something mark the occasion.
How about some bookmarks now?
Oh, this is a wonderful idea. Now it can be as much a part of your story as you've all been in mine. Oh, and would you all please applaud Rex for being our very great beast today. Thank you very much, Rex. You're so brave and strong. There you are. Would you like to take a leave from
I've got moves and ones it's galore. You want big of a box? I got 20. 20 years. No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing. Around on those.
Get your head out of the clouds and back in the water where it belongs. We got so much down here. There's no reason to go up there. Don't you understand? And before we finish this campaign, it's up to the wind for you. When you finish the cook, another sea we have to hook. We got no troubles, living in the mornings under the sea. Under the sea. Since life is fleeting, we got to be there naturally. Where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and the voices say, "This is where I want to
Jacob Jones. It's the rum they want. Look at the artists.
Just stop. Weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Every one an egg layer.
Not less they be laying golden eggs.
Check out me on the show. Yo, ho, yo, ho, the ho,